वसीम जमाली साहब, डॉक्टर वसीम जमाली, डॉक्टर तारिक मंसूर और डॉक्टर जावेद अख्तर, आप सब सामने आ जाएं और आपका इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाए। वसीम जमाली साहब को तो फिर स्टेज पर आके अपनी गज़लें सुनानी हैं, लेकिन पहले इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाए।
वसीम जमाली, 1973 में जे.एन. मेडिकल कॉलेज मैंने ज्वाइन किया, फिर जनवरी 1982 में मैंने वहाँ से एमएस किया। उसके बाद ईरान का सफ़र करते हुए वापस हिंदुस्तान की सरज़मीन पे आया। प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट सर्विस ज्वाइन करते हुए अक्टूबर 2014 में एज जॉइंट डायरेक्टर आई रिटायर्ड। थैंक यू।
अरे और बताइए ना बाकी
चीज़ें बाद में
दोबारा।
I fully agree with the proposal of Dr. Rawal that we should have the next alumni meet, and we should try to involve more persons. Because from Aligarh, if we had tried, we could have brought more delegates. So we should try to increase the numbers so that, because I'm really delighted to be here because so many persons I've met after so many years. Dr. Iyer, I think I met him after 25-30 years. So we should continue with this thing. Yes, in that time we met. Yes. The 2-3 informations I want to give. One is that our college has been ranked 12th among 450 medical colleges in India. And this ranking has been given by India Today Nielsen organization, which is the best ranking organization. The other thing is that the alumni associations abroad, they are also very active. And they are making a contribution to the growth of the J.N. Medical College. The North American Medical Association, AMANA, which is an organization of doctors of USA and Canada, it contributed 70 lakh rupees for our J.N. Medical College auditorium. And they are holding regular meetings. In 2012, they held meeting in New York. In 2016 in Boston. And in 2018, they will hold this annual meeting in Chicago. And they are planning to invite the alumni from India also for those meetings. The UK Alumni Association is also very active. On 28th October, just after a few days, they are having this annual meeting in Birmingham. And they have started an international fellowship program for the faculty of AMU. And 2 of our teachers from JNMC, they are going to Queen Elizabeth Hospital, which is one of the best hospitals, not only in United Kingdom, but in Europe. And the alumni have arranged this. And they are going for 2-year fellowship, one from radio diagnosis and other in urology. And we are also having an international fellowship program with Great Western Hospital, Swindon, which is also in the United Kingdom. So not only the alumni associations in India, but the alumni associations abroad, they are also very active. The bond which the alumni of JNMC have with each other is unique. And I fully agree with Professor Khalid Sherwani that some of these meets, they should also be held in Aligarh also. With these type of meets you can have outside Aligarh, but the batch-wise meets, you can consider holding them in Aligarh. Because this year we are having 2 batches which are having the reunion in Aligarh. And I think one is the 1993 batch, which is holding its meet on 24th December. And whenever you want to hold the meet, we are going to provide all the help and all the infrastructure facilities they will be provided, and our full cooperation will be there. So I invite all of you to hold those meets in Aligarh, and our full support and cooperation will be there. The other thing is about this open university. The university is trying to have this concept of open university in which it is going to invite the alumni from all over the world and from India also to come and give academic lectures as well as motivate the students. So the university has chosen 3 faculties. One is the engineering faculty, the other is management, and third is the medical faculty. So Dr. Faisal Salim, he is in Phoenix, USA. He is the coordinator of this program. So we are planning to invite the alumni from USA and from Europe as well as from India. to come and motivate the students, to give academic lectures also, as well as to interact with the students and to motivate the students. So we are definitely going to invite the alumni who are active to AMU and for this Open University. And I think when you come to AMU, you'll always enjoy visiting the LT1 and visiting the Zakaria market. So you're all invited and you're all welcome too. And jumping out of from the LT also.
जकरिया मार्केट की याद है, सलीम की दुकान आप सभी लोगों को याद होगी, और वो लम्हे भुलाए नहीं जा सकते। सही बात यह है कि हम लोगों की जो बॉन्डिंग है, वो मुझे ऐसा महसूस होता है कि शायद किसी और जगह ना हो, और इसी बॉन्डिंग के तहत I perfectly agree with Dr. Rawal, because it is a central place, Delhi. So more and more people will come certainly, and we should make a program not every year, but of course alternate year, and we can have this type of program. And because I'm working in Greater Noida also, so I can also arrange in Greater Noida also such type of meet, and it will be a fun for all of us. Thank you very much.
I am Dr. Sharad Johari. I joined in 1973 as usual and passed out in 1977. I did my house job from there, and then 1980 when I was just doing my medicine, that time I joined armed forces, and then I joined army, and thereafter I continued in army, and I recently retired from the army in 30th of June this year, and now I have joined a medical college at Bareilly as a neurologist first, because that is my first love, and then as a professor and HOD of medicine in that college in Bareilly, SRMS Medical College. But I never felt that I ever left Aligarh, because I could see, and we were all in touch. There were colleagues like Tariq Mansoor and Dr. Nazura and others who were rising in the college itself, and there were others in the private sector like him, like Dr. Anil Tara and others, Balgopal Nair, Atri and others. They were rising in their private sector, and then in service sectors, myself, Dr. Jamali and others, we were together. So I never felt, and then wherever I went, when I was posted in Delhi, there was a Delhi Aligarh Medical Association, and when I came to Lucknow also, we organized several meetings here with whatever people are there. I am so glad that it is on a larger scale now. It has been organized, and I am sure that we will continue with the tradition and expand it. And as has been said by everybody else, that there is something there in Aligarh, that once you are there, even if you are there for 1 or 2 years, that bonding remains. And that thing, I think, is the greatest achievement of the founder, Sir Syed Ali, and all the hierarchy which thereafter inherited the management, that it is there, and I'm sure that will continue for many more time. And there's an opportunity, it's a great opportunity for me also, so I could meet such senior teachers who are there. Dr. Sadiq is there, Dr. N.K. Mishra is there, and Dr. Kiraki sir is there, and all of them, they have taught us, and many more, even my seniors also. So I'm so glad that I'm here, and all the best to this organization and to AMU and to Aligarh in general. Thank you so much.
One thing I would like to tell, that Dr. Sharad Johari got the highest rank which a medical person in army can get. He retired as Major General. And second one, during his medical services, he passed MD and then DM Neurology from All India Institute of Medical Sciences.
I would like to correct that this was the second highest. That highest rank is Lieutenant General, but I retired because of age factor and other things.
मैं डॉक्टर जावेद अख्तर मुझे बेहद खुशी हासिल है कि हम लोग इस तरह के मौक़ों पर इकट्ठा होते हैं। और कुछ साल पहले अलुमनाई और गोल्डन जुबली में इकट्ठा हुए थे। अभी जब इस फंक्शन का ऐलान हुआ तो एक तरह से हम लोग दिन गिनने लगे। तमाम तरह के हमारे सीनियर टीचर्स मुलाकात हुई, क्लास फेलोज हैं, पीछे के लोग, आगे के लोग। और मैं मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूं कि जिस तरह की मेहनत आप लोगों ने किया है और जिस तरह की कामयाबी नज़र आ रही है, इस तरह के फंक्शन मुस्तकबिल में लगातार होते रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि आज की मशगूल ज़िंदगी में हर आदमी टेंशन में रहता है। तमाम तरह के टेंशन जो है, कभी कभी अपने सेटअप से बाहर आकर जब हम इकट्ठा होते हैं तो सारे दुख दूर हो जाते हैं और पुराने दिन जो अलीगढ़ के थे, बचपन के थे, इनिशियल डेज थे, वो हमें याद आने लगते हैं। और मैं मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ जो लोग ऑर्गेनाइज किए हैं। और इस शेर के साथ की तकदीर के दस्ते जरिए से तकदीर दरख्शां होती है, कुदरत भी मदद फरमाती है जब कोशिशें इंसा होती है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
लेकिन एक अफसोस है कि डॉक्टर जावेद अख्तर जिन लोगों की तलाश में आए थे वो नहीं मिले।
मैंने ये तो सही फरमाया आपने जो है, लेकिन नाम ना बताएं।
I am Anil Tara. I am an ophthalmologist, and I look after a hospital in Lucknow also. I would want to congratulate Dr. Rawal and all the organizing team here for the excellent arrangement that they have done. And only thing that we miss is one of the organizers probably couldn't be with us because he lost his elder brother today, Dr. S.M. Tariq, and I definitely miss him here. And thank you for all the organizers.
So we would request all of you to hurry.